Unlock the potential of a laser-focused e-commerce business by launching your very own one-product Shopify store. The secret to a thriving online business often lies in specialization, and today, we're diving deep into how to build a successful one-product Shopify store from the ground up. First, the foundation: choosing your winning product. This isn't just about picking something you like. It's about identifying a problem-solving item, a niche delight, or a trending product with genuine demand. Research is key. Explore marketplaces, analyze trends, and consider what truly excites you and offers a clear benefit to customers. Next, let's talk branding for a one-product store. Your brand needs to clearly communicate the essence of that single item. Think about a memorable name, a compelling story, and a visual identity. Colors, fonts, and a logo that screams quality and relevance to your target audience. This is what will set you apart. Now, let's build your digital storefront. Shopify offers user-friendly themes. Select a clean, professional design that puts your product front and center. High-quality product photos and descriptive, benefit-driven copy are non-negotiable. Make it easy for visitors to understand what you offer and why they need it. The final, crucial piece: marketing. Since you're focusing on one product, your marketing can be incredibly targeted. Leverage social media platforms where your ideal customers hang out. Run targeted ad campaigns that highlight your product's unique selling propositions. Consider influencer collaborations and email marketing to build a loyal customer base. By focusing intensely on a single, well-chosen product, mastering your brand identity, and implementing smart marketing strategies, you're well on your way to launching a profitable one-product Shopify store.